So here I am, watching some murder on TV, and I got a package. So this is from Provident Metals, and I'm going to open it. See what we got, right? Alright, so I didn't cut myself, and I'm doing this one-handed. I cut this open. So let's see what we got here. We got your normal thank you. Hey, thank you from Provident Metals. Got this every time. So see how they pack it. They do some good packing. Oh, here we go. This is the important part. So, box is empty. So, there. Alrighty. Let's do the first thing and get my packing slip out of here. Packing slip gone. It probably gave me a... Oh, look. Same thing I got last time. Alright. Now... Ooh, they gave me another one. Ooh, I get two? I get two, I can add it to my... You know... third one I have. So, apparently I can hang things on my refrigerator. Okay. So, that's out of the way. So, first thing I'm pulling out of here is... So they're... Okay, come on. Let's, get this in there. It's a Buffalo. Still a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bar. Okay. I should have another bar in here. Yeah, they gave me the same bar. Random bars. That's what we get. And then... Alright. So, my good ones out of here is I got my Year of the Dog. That is beautiful. It's actually in a capsule. So that's my my dog I got from Perth. Alright. Beautiful. I love the frosting on the owl. And so I guess it would be technically a reverse proof. It's nice. Nice. Alright. Tasha. You like the dog? You like Year of the Dog? Of course you do. She does. So the other one I got was a Britannia. This is a big guy. I think it's 2 ounce. Yeah, 2 ounce. But it's a dragon. So What do you think about that? Adding that to the stack. Do my thing. Very, very beautiful. Thank you, Provident. I'm going to continue doing business with them. I have another one coming in the mail next couple of days, so I'll show you guys that. Alright, let me know what you think.